Hello guys, welcome to the Derico tutorial channel. In this algorithm section, we are going to create algorithm. It will calculate our exponent. For example, 2 exponent 5, it is equal to 32. And these things we will do it now. For example, if we check sorry, it's like pen, yeah, 2 exponent 5 is like a 5 times is make so 3 4 and 5, it will be 32 if you multiply. So just this is our base and this is our exponent number. We will from the console input our base and component, and our method it will calculate them. And let's go do it now from program. Here first I create a method. Always better to create a method. Static. It will return integer, and I will say exponent. I just name it like this. Here from parameter we need we need base and exponent. I write base, and then second let's say exponent. And now here we'll create a for loop, and it will start from 1, and it will be until let's underscore maybe, and lesser than our exponent. And also we need another a field called result. I set it 1. Now let's come here. We say result multiply by our base. So we say base. And let's go create our base from console write line. We say console write, and we say enter the base number, and we'll say bar base, and we'll convert our console to integer. And let's say console read line. First let's copy this one, we don't want to write again, and paste here, and we say here exponent number, and let's say exponent. So here after it calculates, it finished, so we have to return our result here. We say return result. Let's put a breakpoint here, and let's calculate how it is functioning. Here ask for enter base number. I write 2, and our exponent is 5. And then 1 minute. So we have to call our method. Let's write a console write line, and then let's say result, and then let's call our method. We say exponent. Let's pass our base to parameter and exponent, and now let's run it. I put it 2 and 5, so it is here. Let's first pin here, unpin here, and then our let's go there. Actually, this is not important, but let's do like this. First, our I set it like 1. First, our for condition will check it, either it's like equal or lesser than exponent, our I. Yes, then it will our our uh, our base is true. It will multiply by our result, and the result it will be true. Now second one, second time it will divide. Now it will divide, sorry, multiply 2 by 2, it will be 4. And now 4 multiply 2, it will be 8. And it will be 16. And 16, the last one, because our I is 4. Now it is 5. This time also it will multiply. And now it is our I is, since it is like greater than exponent, then it will just it will break the for loop, and it will come result. Result is 32. It will return it here. And let's see, the result is 32. That's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you like, subscribe my channel. See you next video.